Welcome back, everyone. Today we have a financial roller coaster ahead because Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell hints at potential interest rate cuts. Finally, this is fantastic news. But hold on tight. He is asking for just a bit more patience from Americans in this ongoing battle against inflation in this nation. This news could reshape the economic landscape, and you do not want to miss any of the details, so grab your virtual front row seat, a bucket of popcorn, as we dive deep into the twists and turns of the upcoming rate cut saga, folks. You're not going to miss this. So, the fact is, Powell recently stated that the time for interest rate cuts is nearing, sparking both anticipation and caution, because in a recent interview on 60 Minutes, Powell emphasized the strength of the U.S. economy but also hinted at a delay in rate cuts until later this year. So if you're thinking about buying that house next week because of what Powell said, don't if you're looking for that best interest rate. Still might be a good time to get a good price though. So we're in for a fascinating ride as Powell navigates the delicate balance between economic strength as well as the need to combat inflation. And what are you guys dealing with right now? How have the prices been? Have they cooled down a little bit? Are they still high? Let us know your local market down below in the comments section. I'm curious to hear what you're seeing as far as prices. Now, Wall Street is always eager to forecast market movements and initially expected rate cuts as soon as next month in March. However, Powell's statements have caused a shift in expectations, and there's so many market dynamics here. And there's actually a 20% chance of a rate cut in March with a more substantial chance and probability of 71.3% in May, according to the CME FedWatch tool. So it's not impossible, but most likely no rate cuts next month. Powell has also been vying for you guys to go ahead and smash a like button. I'd appreciate that. Give this video a big thumbs up. This helps with me, the community, YouTube algorithm. We can reach more people and build further, so I would appreciate it, and it's probably his #1 priority. Click that like button. Powell remains confident about the U.S. economy's trajectory. He still expects 3 rate cuts in 2024 this year, as projected in the December forecasts. So it's not off the table, it's still in the cards, and we're not going to be seeing less rate cuts than originally expected. Now, there's so many factors that you have to understand that are contributing to this confidence. They include, but are not limited to, robust job growth. We have high consumer sentiment, as well as decreasing inflation. So many factors contributing. But will Powell's optimism hold up in the face of potential economic risks? Remember, the economy is on an unusual trajectory right now. We have fast growth, we have high employment, as well as decreasing inflation. In the interview, Powell explored the possibility of, as he puts it, a soft landing where the economy in the U.S. avoids a recession while taming price rises. But is this historically unusual scenario sustainable, or are we on the brink of an unexpected economic challenge that is unforeseen? What do you guys think? Do you think right now it's too good to be true? And do you think the economy is going to flip and right now this bull run we're having right now is going to be over? Or do you think it's going to continue? Let us know down below in the comment section. Powell also acknowledged the challenges faced by Americans on a daily basis, such as high grocery prices and inflated rents, despite overall economic strength. And we're seeing it in the stock market, we're seeing it in the job numbers, and I think a lot of people are happy right now with this, and it could mean and could point to a Biden re-election for 4 more years. Remember, historically speaking, if the economy or stock market in the months leading up to the election ends up doing poorly, it could ultimately mean a change in the incumbent party. So what are your predictions, folks? I know it's a little bit too early, but I think we can count on a Trump-Biden rematch. Do you think we're going to see 4 more years, or is Trump going to become the 47th president of the United States? So let us know down in the comment section. I am curious to hear your thoughts and predictions. It'll be interesting to revisit this. Now, Powell has concerns, and there are potential threats, including geopolitical turmoil in regions like Ukraine, Middle East, Asia. We're still seeing it. How might these global events impact the economic stability of Powell's visions? Well, we're going to have to see how this plays out. And Congress is not one to stay silent. They've been pressuring Powell to cut rates. Democratic senators are urging rate cuts and expressing concerns about so many things, including housing affordability. And that's playing a big role right now with Americans and the inflation rate. Powell also emphasized the Fed's independence and integrity in navigating these pressures. Right? They're independent from the political party in office. They're independent from politics. They don't want to make decisions based on some political bias. They're just an independent party that has nothing to do. And unfortunately, though, it's hard not to have any bias in your decisions. Taking a closer look at these financial landscapes, we see regional banks like New York Community Bancorp facing unexpected challenges, a surprise loss, and the concerns about the value of commercial office buildings. These also are creating ripples in the banking sector, so we have to keep that in mind. And Powell addressed these issues and assesses the risk of a repeat of the 2008 financial crisis. Are we on the brink of a repeat of 2008, or is it just a small, isolated incident in regards to banking and the mortgage crisis, and we're not going to be seeing another recession? Let us know down below. What are your predictions? Powell also discussed the potential threat of geopolitical turmoil and its impact on the healing global economy. He's assessing all these risks and uncertainties and the delicate balance between optimism while also remaining cautious and wanting to make the best decisions ahead. So there you have it, folks. That's what we understand, and that was a comprehensive exploration of the impending interest rate cuts, Powell's perspectives, and the intricate dance, of course, between that economic strength and potential challenges ahead. So I hope you enjoyed this. Hope you got some insight out of this video. And if you want to dive deeper into the financial world, don't forget to hit that like button. Make sure you're subscribed for more insightful content. Share your thoughts in the comments section. Make sure you share this video with a friend, get the word out, spread it on social media, and have notifications turned on. That will notify you every time we do post a brand new video. Until next time, folks, stay financially informed and brace yourself for the potential twists and turns of the economic roller coaster. We're going to be keeping you updated. We'll keep our eyes peeled, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care for now.